Hey Curly Teas! Today we're making a softening, smooth, moisturizing leave-in conditioner using Amla and Castor oils with a major assist from Bhringraj and Amla tea. Bhringraj is said to help strengthen hair and is thought to make the hair appear thicker over time. Amla is said to help strengthen hair and is thought to have antibacterial properties. Now first, you have to make the Bhringraj and Amla tea. Now you already know how to make tea. What I did is on the screen. Now one important step is that I used a food grade oil funnel filter. To filter the powder from the water, it works much better than micron bags and is quicker to use than a coffee filter. And you can cut them down if they're too big. I made the tea the night before making this formula. It's always good to plan ahead and prepare ingredients like teas ahead of time. It just will save you so much time during your actual DIY session. Betaine is beet sugar extract, not beet sugar. This is not the grade you get from the grocery store. Now there's only one supplier I could find who carries this particular grade of beet sugar extract, but currently I cannot recommend them. If you don't have this, use another humectant like one of the ones listed on the screen. In a separate vessel, make a slurry with glycerin and your chosen gum. Today, I'm testing tarragon, aka Caesalpinia spinosa.
Caesalpinia. Caesalpinia. Caesalpinia.
Now you are going to make sure that you use the cosmetic grade version of tarragon. What I have here is the food grade, which I would never use above 0.2% for fear of flaking. But if you don't already have tarragon, just use cosmetic grade xanthan gum. Because of the size of the vessels, it's actually easier for me to pour the tea into the slurry. Okay, hear me out. YouTube, stay tripping. This channel is not monetized, thus and therefore, members at CURLYTEA.com have access to the full videos, instructions, ingredient list, and my notes. So come join us today. final product is not just creamy, but has a slightly soft, like cushiony feel. It's something you can only notice by feel, which I think may be the result of the addition of the tarragon. Now, like I said earlier, you are not to use food grade tarragon. Get the cosmetic version so you won't have to worry about using too much and having it flake or peel on your skin. I actually like this leave-in conditioner a lot. I've been using a lot lately. Like, my hair is dry, as in not wet. I can actually feel the moistness, the wetness that the cream adds. It's something you have to feel, and it's probably a combination of the betaine, the glycerin in the slurry, and the propanediol. Because of the BTMS 50, you'll feel the softness, of course. Instead of using fatty alcohol, I opted for another emulsifier that wouldn't add any soaping effect to the leave-in conditioner and further stabilizes the emulsion. Now, I hope y'all enjoyed making this leave-in conditioner. As always, head over to CURLYTEA.com for all of the DIY formulas, including the full ingredients list, instructions, my notes, and other information. Follow on social media or become a patron at Patreon if that's more convenient for you. I'll talk to you guys soon.